Here are four signs that you need a social media manager. Several times I've actually seen people that says they don't need a social media manager, but yet the signs keep showing over and over again. They keep complaining about some certain things over and over again, but they don't know that these are signs that actually tells that they need a social media manager, be it a brand or an individual. So in this video, I'm going to be giving us four signs that you actually need a social media manager. The first sign that you need a social media manager is when you don't have enough time in your hands. You have other businesses, you have other packages you are running, but so you don't have that enough time to actually run social media stuff online, the posting, the hashtags. Yes, you are just filled up with some other activities. So you can be running those other activities most times are actually offline and still be handling your social media pages, be it Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook. I've come across some business people who do not have that time to run their social media pages by themselves because they are doing other things. If you don't have enough time in your hands to be running your offline business and managing your social media pages, is actually a very good sign that you need a social media manager. Because in this world now, the generation we are in, you know, it's actually a time of online. Everything is always online. So even if you have an offline business you do, you can also still get more customers, more clients, boost your sales engagement through online. I've actually seen people that started online business. They did not have even a physical shop, but as that online business and with the good social media managers like us, we're actually able to, boost their sales online, and then with the gain and everything they made, they actually use it to open a physical store. So why some people might love to, come around their physical shop to come and see, and if they're around the vicinity, so others would like to patronize them from online. So if you don't actually have enough time on your hands to run your offline activities and handle your social media pages, this actually means that it's a sign that you need a social media manager. The second sign that you actually need a social media manager is if you want to boost your sales, or drive traffic to your website. Yes, it's a sign that you need a social media manager, and you are doing everything in your power, with the little knowledge that you have, to do those things, but you're not getting any sales, you're not getting any engagement. You actually need a social media manager. Yes, this social media manager might not be there for you for like 2 or 3 years, but at least he or she will help you at least to boost up some certain things and make some certain things work. They make you get engagement, make you get sales, make you get traffic on your website. So it's a sign that you need a social media manager. Please don't ignore it. Some of us we actually like acting stubborn, and thereby because of that, our business online actually dies. It dies slowly, 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 and gets to a point that it will be very hard. So if you know that you actually want sales, you want engagement, and you are trying the little that you can, but you are not getting anything, this is a sign that you need a social media manager. The social media manager might not work for you like a year, like I said, but at least 3 months, 2 months, 6 months to post it up is fine and it's okay. Now, the third sign that you actually need a social media manager is when you struggle to understand social media ethics. Yeah, you know the benefits of that, but you struggle to understand it. You can't seem to understand it. There was this lady I met. She says she knows the benefits of social media, online things, but the thing is that she cannot understand it. I actually even tried to put her through, but yet it was to no avail. Yes, we have people like that. It's not like you are too dull to understand it. It's just that sometimes it's not really your thing. So if you are in this category, it is a sign that you need a social media manager. This is especially when you have goals to achieve. You understand, and you have time band. It's actually a sign that you need a social media manager. And the last sign that you need a social media manager is when you're already tired of it. Social media now looks like a tiring house chore you do and you never want to do it ever in your life. I mean, this at this last stage is actually very critical, because at this last stage, if you have a business, it's already dead online. Yes, if you have ignored the first three signs, when you get to this one, it's really very a very critical stage. But still, we can still help you out. So all you need to do is, if you're experiencing the signs, any stage you are in, whether the first sign, the second, the third, or this last one I just talked about, send a DM to the email you are seeing on your screen right now, or you send a WhatsApp message to the number you are seeing on your screen right now, or you can actually follow us on our social media platform: Facebook Gateway Design, um, Instagram Gateway Design, and send us a message that you actually need a social media manager, and we will attend to you. Thank you, and see you next time.